Artificial intelligence is transforming data centers from manual and reactive environments into intelligent and automated ecosystems. This shift is redefining efficiency, scalability, and sustainability in digital infrastructure. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Energy consumption is being drastically reduced through AI-driven cooling systems that analyze real-time and historical data to adjust power usage dynamically. By optimizing workload distribution across servers, AI minimizes latency and ensures optimal use of resources. Predictive maintenance powered by AI helps anticipate hardware failures before they occur, allowing scheduled repairs that prevent costly downtime. Additionally, AI enhances spatial planning by improving the physical layout for equipment, increasing capacity without expanding the footprint. Operational tasks like network routing and system configuration are increasingly automated, boosting reliability and scalability. AI-based security mechanisms monitor traffic in real time, detect threats, and respond to anomalies, significantly improving data center defense. Data governance benefits from AI through smart storage allocation, identification of duplicate files, and assistance with compliance management. This automation reduces administrative overhead while improving data accuracy. The rise of AI applications demands high-performance infrastructure. Data centers are adopting advanced processors like GPUs and TPUs, along with liquid cooling solutions to manage high thermal loads more effectively and sustainably. Despite the benefits, challenges remain. Upfront investment costs are high and there is a shortage of skilled professionals. However, trends like edge AI integration and hyper-automation promise self-optimizing networks and autonomous operations. Ultimately, AI is evolving from a data center workload to the intelligence, guiding their very function and design, paving the way for the next generation of computing environments. Let's look into today's headlines. MeitY launches Rs 22,919 crore electronics manufacturing scheme. The Ministry of Electronics and IT, that is MeitY, has launched a new electronics manufacturing scheme worth Rs 22,919 crore to boost domestic production and exports. The scheme aims to attract global and local companies to set up manufacturing units in India, creating jobs and reducing import dependence. It focuses on key areas like semiconductors, consumer electronics, and components. The initiative will support large-scale production, encourage innovation, and strengthen India's position in the global electronics market over the next 6 years. A Windows 11 update reportedly creates a mysterious but harmless folder. A recent Windows 11 24H2 update is reportedly creating a strange folder called initpub on the system drive. While this may confuse users, it's completely harmless and can be safely deleted. The folder is empty and doesn't affect system performance. This bug came with the April update as reported by Windows Latest. Although unusual, it's not the first time this folder has randomly appeared on PCs. Microsoft hasn't officially commented, but users don't need to worry. No action is required unless you want to delete it. Hewlett Packard India expands agentic AI capabilities with HPE Private Cloud AI in India. Hewlett Packard Enterprise, that is HPE, has launched HPE Private Cloud AI in India, a complete AI cloud solution to help businesses quickly adopt and use AI. It supports the development and deployment of generative AI applications and agents with speed and flexibility. This platform deeply integrates NVIDIA AI technology with HPE's storage, computing, and GreenLake cloud services. It simplifies AI workload management, offering easy deployment, monitoring, and optimization. With full visibility, smart resource management, and a self-service cloud experience, it supports various AI needs through flexible, ready-to-use configurations. Instagram rolls out secret passcode lock for Reels to boost privacy. Instagram is quickly testing a new feature called Locked Reels, allowing creators and brands to share exclusive videos that can only be accessed using a secret code. The feature, spotted on Instagram's official design account, prompts viewers to enter secret code alongside a clue. On the design account, the hint was first hashtag in the caption, with the code being threads, unlocking a coming soon banner that hinted at the account's threads debut. Adobe releases security update to fix critical exploits. Adobe has released a new security update to fix 30 vulnerabilities across several of its products. This includes 11 critical issues in ColdFusion versions 2025, 2023, and 2021, which could allow hackers to read files or run malicious code. The update also addresses problems that could lead to memory leaks, file access, and other risks. Affected products include ColdFusion, After Effects, Media Encoder, Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Animate, FrameMaker, Adobe Experience Manager, Adobe Commerce, Magento Open Source, and Adobe Bridge. Users are advised to update immediately. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.